What is ICP-CAT? Leanpitch's Coaching Agile Transition Workshop, or ICP-CAT, is the short form for ICAgile Certified Professional in Coaching Agile Transitions. ICP-CAT is one of the two advanced knowledge-based certification courses under the Enterprise Agile Coaching track. It's a two-day power-packed, activity-oriented workshop designed by Agile leaders. The ICP-CAT Certification Workshop demonstrates an understanding of the skills and competencies needed to become an Enterprise Agile coach. Who can attend? This certification is explicitly designed for enterprise, program, and team-level Agile coaches. Agile team facilitators, Agile coaches, or anyone aspiring to become an Enterprise Agile coach can go for this particular certification. It is also relevant for professionals with a strong background in change management and as well as organizational design who have a curiosity about Agile approaches at the enterprise level. Attending the workshop provides a good insight into understanding the organizational change process, co-creating an organizational change strategy, understanding, identifying, and addressing organizational impediments, and facilitating at an organizational level. How to get CAT certification? Register for the ICP-CAT workshop from leanpitch.com. Attend the 2 days practical workshop. Get expert insight from the trainers who are practicing enterprise agile coaches and organizational developmental experts. Do an assignment based on the workshop's learning, including creating an organizational change strategy. Your certification will be enabled once your assignment is renewed and accepted. Why ICP-CAT from Leanpitch? Our workshop prepares you for the job with excellent simulation, role plays, and as well as case studies. Our ICP-CAT workshop will not have more than 20 participants. This ensures every participant gets an equal amount of focus and interaction that adds to their learning. Our trainers are practitioners who share their experiences in the workshop, and we believe in teach only what you practice. Our workshops are experiential and will leave you with memorable experiences of learning from the workshop. Our study materials are insightful and participants will have lifelong access to the materials. Our post-workshop support includes free access to webinars, podcasts, Q&A sessions, meetups, and other voluntary activities. Register for our ICP-CAT workshop to improve your career and become a great enterprise agile coach.